First, open the Settings app. Tap Wi-Fi. If you want to reset only one Wi-Fi network, tap the connected Wi-Fi network. Then tap Forget this network. Confirm by tapping Forget. If you want to reset all network settings, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap Additional Settings. Tap Backup and Reset. Then tap Erase all data. Select Reset System Settings. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern lock. This will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings. Tap Reset System Settings only to confirm. Wait a few seconds for the reset to complete. After the reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by entering the password. That's it. This is how you can reset Wi-Fi settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.